So go for the lapel choke. This one. Now, I can't remember if he wants to see from here. If it's from here, you want to grab here and you want to fall to the opposite side. Here. Release some pressure. If you come up, put your ball on the ground, you trap the half guard, sit up, and then you do the escape that we did, similar to the last one. If he makes you go down to the choke, I think he'll make you do that one, which is really similar to the first one we did. You know, you put your back up, set your elbow up, push the knee out.
Yeah.
Very similar. But you don't want to fall towards the pillow side. You don't want to fall the hand. So she has. So go ahead.
Oh.
She has this one. For you, you don't want to fall to this side.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the same thing as the first one we did.
Yeah.
You want to fall this way though.
Okay.
Same thing. He'll probably just make you do this. For you, Susie, I don't know exactly what basic one he would want you to do, but if you do fall to this side of the choke, I think it's actually here. I like to do step up here, bring this foot as high as I can, kick it, bring up to my knees here, and then turn.
Okay.
That's if he's going for the choke. I don't know if he'll throw that one at you.
So, Main Shay, I remember. It's green.
Okay.
So I'm here.
This is right for his, I mean. For his is just, you have to put every step, and then kick out, hit the skate, push down with your knee.
You want to bring this elbow over the chest though.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You want to sit up. Because if you don't, then I can come on top.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a fight from there.